Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. And in today's video, I'll show you how to change the line spacing in your paragraph or in your document. So make sure you stick to the end of the video and let's get right into it. First, you have to open your Microsoft Word and open your document or file where you want to change the line spacing. Simply maximize it and select the part where you want to add line spacing or change the line spacing in. Suppose I want to change up to here, and in the home tab you can see a little box over here with the up and down arrow called line and paragraph spacing. Simply click on it. Here are different options like 1.0, 1.15, 1.5, 1.0, 1.25 and so on. Simply select one of these. Suppose I have selected 2.5 and this is the spacing between my lines. If I don't want this or it is not according to your preference, simply select 1.5. This looks much cleaner. So that is how you can change the line spacing on your Microsoft Word. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.